Human trafficking is a hard topic that no one really likes to talk about. It's something that we simply tend to turn a blind eye to. But Lighthouse for Life is here to shed light on this hard subject. I'm Jen Thompson with Lighthouse for Life. Did you know that it's estimated that human trafficking is a $9.8 billion industry in the U.S.? The sad thing is that number continues to grow. Lighthouse for Life is striving to change that, though. We're here to educate communities on the realities of sex trafficking right here in your very own backyard. Through awareness and education, we can empower the community to recognize the signs and, even more importantly, how to respond. With the help of our volunteers and partners, Lighthouse for Life has been able to grow so much over the past few years. Our message is spreading and the dream of opening a safe home is becoming a reality. Kara's Home will be opening very soon. This home gives us the ability to provide a safe place to reintroduce and rehabilitate victims of sex trafficking, and we couldn't have done it without you. Our mission is to provide a safe environment for them spiritually, physically, and emotionally. By providing them with the necessary services and support that they need, along with guidance and love, we're helping them transform from a victim into a survivor as they begin to restore their lives. So please continue to spread the word. Don't be afraid of this subject. It is a reality, and we need your help to be a light in the darkness.